Hey there, YouTube friends. Today I want to show you what our kitchen looked like when we first bought our house. And this is what it looks like after we gave it our makeover. Now, we made quite a number of changes, but most of the improvement really came from just brightening things up and painting the cabinets. We were real methodical with how we went about doing this. We started by removing the doors and drawers, and then getting some crud cutter and giving everything a really good cleaning. Now, the house is over 50 years old, so it really needed it. Then I took 180 grit sandpaper and scuffed everything up. After that, we took some damp paper towels and wiped everything down. We bought Valspar Cabinet Paint from Lowe's, and it's been 4 years, so I could tell you that the paint held up really well. We used Purdy brushes, angled brushes, and whiz cabinet and door rollers to apply the paint. You want to get good applicators when you do this. And we started off by painting the cabinets with the brushes, and we gave everything thin coats, and we also did the back of the doors. Now, we ended up giving everything 3 coats. So what you see here is 3 coats, and we let it dry minimum 6 hours between coats. We usually let it dry overnight. Now, when we did the front of the doors, Rita started off by painting the doors with a brush. She got in all that routing and around the edges. And then I came with the roller while the door was still wet from what she did. And I rolled on nice and even, and I was sure to back roll when I was done. And I went along the edges and got any drips. Now, we let everything dry minimum 6 hours, but usually we let everything dry overnight. And then the next day we'd repeat the process. Rita would start with the brush, and then I'd come in with the roller. Now you can see we got really good results. We got a nice smooth satin finish, which is what we wanted, and it turned out great. Now, this project really improved the look of the kitchen, and it took about 3 or 4 days to do. We were patient with it, we took our time, and we were really happy with the results. So this is something you can do as well if you want to brighten up your kitchen. Now, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. We have more DIY videos to come and plenty already on our channel, so we'd appreciate it if you check those out as well. Happy home improvement. We'll catch you next time.